You may know this as a seagull, but it is actually a herring gull. Although they may be annoying with their early morning calls and litter picking habits, these gulls are actually pretty cool. They can live up to 30 years of age, drink salt water, and their wingspan can reach the height of a 13-year-old. Gulls have become masters of our cities, waiting in ambush for their next easy meal. Scientific research suggests that staring at a seagull will stop it from stealing your food. And remember, don't lose concentration while holding a sausage roll. But herring gulls haven't always lived in our towns and cities. Before, they lived in the wild, on the cliff faces and rock edges. We overfished for their food, put plastic in their ocean, and built on their cliffs, causing them to move inland and their overall numbers to decline. Remember not to feed or disturb seagulls. Respect them and give them space, because our cities are their home too. Herring gulls are threatened, and we must give them a future. Can you imagine the sea without seagulls?